Here are 7 most effective methods to lose weight for teenagers. Instructions to get more fit quick for youngsters. Teenagers have a ton of energy, and can without much of a stretch lose a ton of weight in a generally brief time frame. Despite the fact that youngsters are constantly encircled by undesirable food choices, in this video I will be imparting to you 7 stages for quick weight reduction for adolescents. 1. Start having breakfast. A few adolescents think skipping breakfast is a snappy method to shed pounds. In any case, having breakfast will kick off your digestion and forestall gorging during the day. Pick a dinner that has protein for resilience, for example, an egg white omelette with mozzarella cheddar, foods grown from the ground. High-fiber food varieties, for example, entire wheat toast or entire wheat cereal are additionally acceptable choices. 2. Watching your beverages. Too numerous soft drinks, squeezes and sports beverages can truly add up. Supplant them with water. You ought to have at any rate 8 glasses of water a day. Water flushes out undesirable poisons from your body and keeps your cerebrum sharp. It keeps you hydrated. 3. Filling up on foods grown from the ground. Most products of the soil are high in fiber and supplements while low in calories. That implies you'll top off quicker and eat less. Have a go at having organic product as bites or before dinners to cut calories without feeling hungry. 4. Avoid cheap food. There's nothing amiss with having an intermittent hamburger and French fries, yet try not to have those sorts of food sources each day. Make them a treat that you just have sometimes. 5. Avoiding careless eating. If you get eager in the early evening, keep your snacks solid by staying away from candy, treats, and other enticing desserts. Likewise, focus on different reasons you may eat, such as being exhausted, tired, or feeling blue. Enthusiastic eating just compounds the situation and doesn't make your issues disappear. 7. Exercise consistently. Get in any event 1 hour of activity consistently. Regardless of whether it is simply going for a long stroll. Pick exercises that you appreciate. A simple method to get in shape rapidly and meet the everyday actual work necessity is by joining an after-school athletic group. B-ball, tennis, track and other coordinated exercises will help with consuming calories. Furthermore, getting thinner rapidly. Enroll your companions to go along with you on your excursion to weight reduction. In case you're humiliated about requesting that they help you out, simply inquire as to whether they need to go to the exercise center with you. What's more, don't go through your days sitting on the lounge chair staring at the TV. Quick weight reduction might be accomplished with diet. Also, work out.